Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the origin of barbecue and its importance in American culture. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Did the word barbecue originate from the Taino language? Yes, it comes from the word barbacoa. Did Spanish explorers introduce barbecue to the Americas? Yes, they adopted the cooking method from the Taino people. Did barbecue become popular in the northern United States first? No, it became popular in the southern United States. Is Texas barbecue known for its pork dishes? No, Texas barbecue is famous for its beef, especially brisket. Does Kansas City barbecue use a vinegar-based sauce? No, it's known for its thick, sweet, and tangy tomato-based sauce. Is Memphis barbecue famous for dry rubbed ribs? Yes, Memphis barbecue is known for its flavorful dry rubbed ribs. Do Carolina barbecue traditions emphasize beef brisket? No. Carolina barbecue is focused on pork, either whole hog or pulled pork. Is barbecue just about the food in America? No. It's a social event that brings people together. Is the Memphis in May World Championship a music festival? No. It's a world-class barbecue cooking contest. Do all regions in the United States prepare barbecue the same way? No. Each region has its own unique style and flavors. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.